Here's a quick one for you. A recent study from the Journal of the American Medical Association was looking to find means to improve eyesight. Yes, a topic a little out of left field considering that the primary focus of this channel is fitness, but it doesn't hurt to talk about other topics once in a while. And this particular topic piqued my interest simply because of the fact that my eyesight personally sucks. And if I can improve it, then cool, it'll help me with reading more fitness research. What's more interesting is how the researchers intend to improve vision. In this case, with the consumption of chocolate. Yes, chocolate. In this specific case, researchers hypothesized that eating dark chocolate is better than milk chocolate in improving vision. The reasoning: dark chocolates have more of the natural compound flavanol. Flavanols have been linked to improved cognition, contrast sensitivity, and blood flow, which in theory are properties that can lead to improved retinal performance, at least in the short term. The study took 30 healthy young adults in a crossover fashion and gave them either 47 grams of 72% cacao dark chocolate or 40 grams of milk chocolate. About 2 hours later, they were given 3 visual tests, one on high contrast visual acuity, another on small letter contrast sensitivity, and one on large letter contrast sensitivity, tests that we're all too familiar with when going to the eye doctor. What they found was that overall, dark chocolate did consistently outperform milk chocolate, with a slightly higher score in both visual acuity and large letter testing. But it was in the small letter testing where improvement was significantly higher with dark chocolate consumption. And this is only after 2 hours, creating an acute enhanced visual benefits. But before you run off and clear your local store of all their dark chocolate, do understand there are limitations to the study that questions the validity of the results. The researchers noted that the 72% cacao dark chocolate had 316 milligrams of flavanols, roughly 8 times more than the milk chocolate they used. Only problem is, we don't know exactly how accurate these numbers are. The researchers didn't measure the numbers themselves, but instead relied on a secondary website source. If the flavanol content is actually lower, especially since different treatments of dark chocolate can drastically reduce flavanol concentrations, then we have to wonder if flavanols are indeed the major factor. Plus, the subjects already had 20/20 vision, so we don't know if the benefits found will carry over to someone with poorer eyesight like myself. Bummer. So not exactly a home run determination by any means, but the flavanol mechanisms do somewhat make sense. The high vascularity of the retina can benefit from the increased blood flow and nutrient delivery from flavanols. Now, it's important to note that science doesn't work off of just one preliminary finding, but maybe the next time you eat some dark chocolate, see if something like reading becomes easier. If yes, then awesome. If not, then it's all good, because you still got some of that sweet, sweet chocolate. I want to thank Examine.com for providing much of the information for this video in their own breakdown of the same study. Please share other video research topics or studies you want to learn about in the comments. Like and share this video to your chocolate-loving friends and subscribe for more future fitness content. As always, thank you for watching and get your chocolatey protein.